All options are on the table to get more vaccines for Arizona. State leaders revealing today they're willing to buy vaccines direct from the pharmaceutical companies to get more faster.
This coming as Arizona asks the feds for another 300,000 doses, a request that is unlikely to be filled. At the same time, Maricopa County warning supplies are so limited they can't promise they'll have enough to give everyone a second dose. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg asking our leaders, what are they doing to fix this?
New information on vaccines in Arizona. First, the state is updating its website so people can find appointments easier by not having to click day by day. And starting today, if you get a vaccine at State Farm Stadium, you will sign up for the second dose before you leave.
I got my first dose on the 12th.
That's something Katie Weisner wishes she was able to do. She's a school psychologist and got her first dose of the vaccine through Maricopa County. But on Thursday, the county announcing they can't guarantee second doses right now because of a lack of supplies. Something Katie was worried would happen, so she went around the county and scheduled a second appointment at the state site.
I tried to follow what they told me to do, but I'm glad I didn't based on the information that came out yesterday that was basically saying, well, we may not actually have the doses to distribute at those auxiliary pods that aren't the stadium.
Dr. Chris was asked about the county's warning they may not have enough for the second shots. She says that people can book appointments at other locations like State Farm Stadium since it would be the same brand. But we asked Dr. Chris, why would she tell more people to look for appointments when they're all booked?
What we're hoping to be able to do is as we get additional doses, we are going to try and open up more appointments. So say next week they come up with the 300,000 additional doses that we ask. We're not going to wait until February or whenever that comes. We're going to start opening up appointments, but we will make announcements as we do that.
We're also learning that states like Arizona may soon be able to buy Pfizer vaccines directly from the company. So Dr. Chris was asked about that today as well.
That could be exciting. I know that some of the funding that we've gotten, like from CDC for vaccination efforts, prohibits us using our funding for the sale or for the purchase of vaccines. So it's something that we're looking at, and it could potentially add additional doses.
It all comes down to supply. The state should receive around 169,000 next week, but they're asking the feds for an additional 300,000.
We have been advocating for over a week to get these requests. I know that they are looking at State Farm as kind of a model for the 24/7 vaccination site. I just think that they're dealing with vaccine limitations across the country.
So continue to check the state's website for appointments and know there is hope. More are coming. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.